Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Come make what boss a one cook up in this kitchen. On today's menu we have chicken, shrimp and pineapple fried rice. Okay, so let's get to prepping. So I'm using 2 chicken thighs. They have been washed and sanctified. So I'm cutting them up into little cubes. Yeah, little cube. I guess are little cubes. Yeah, cubes. So you guys can use chicken breasts if you don't love chicken breasts. And as well as I guess it's easier because then it don't have the bone. But I love me some thighs. Yes, I love me some thighs. So cut off all the meat, and then we're gonna give it a little wash after that again, but cut them up into strips. Me love even for cut up the meat fine like this, me still prefer chicken thighs because it just carry it's so juicy. It's so juicy, like it really hard for you spoil chicken thigh for do them something here. But the breasts can be a little bit more dry, so I just love me some chicken thighs. But do whichever piece you want to do. That's us. So now I'm going to season the chicken. So I'm using my favorite all-purpose seasoning. Yes, and rub it in. And just like that, that show visuals. Now let's work on the shrimp. So here it is, all deveined, wash and clean. So first I'm going to spice it up with some roasted garlic and pepper, and then I'm going to add the rest of my all-purpose seasoning to it. Come through all-purpose and give it a nice little rubbing to mix it all up. Rubadocious. Yes, girly. So here are the rest of my ingredients that I will be using to put together this amazing fried rice. Listen, you gonna need this up in our belly. May I tell you no? Needs. Listen. Me not listen. Just free the thing. Just watch a video. But yeah, see the stuff them there. So if you watched my other fried rice video, which I'm going to link down below, then you already know that I put ginger in my fried rice to give it a nice little karate kick. And I'm begging you, please don't sleep on the ginger. Please try it. Yes, try it. So now I'm going to dice up some carrots, because we not only want our food for taste good, we are adding veggies as well. Yes, we need it for look good, we need it for taste good, and we say nutritious, come through nutrition. So yes, we are add some carrot and make it all yummy. And just like that, that is us. And here we have the big hitter. May say big hitter to prep. Guys, I know my pineapple look tore up. I must admit, my lovely angels had a little go at it and even pop out some of the nice little green with them up at top. But such is life when you have children. What to do? Anyway, girl, work. Yes, work, girl, for your food. Yes, work. If you want to eat, you got to work. Okay, so now we're going to make little cubes into the pineapple, and then we're going to take out the inside of the pineapple. Now, them not for straight, them not for neat, them not for nothing. We just try gut it. That's all we want. But, and be careful not to cut the edge of the pineapple, because remember, we need it to be intact to put the rice in it. So yes, take a little spoon and scrape out all of that. I say that pineapple here is sweet. It's sweet. Oh my goodness, it tastes so good. I give it a 10 out of 10. It really good. So scrape out all of the juices and all that meaty sweetness, because you don't want the inside of the pineapple to be wet when you put your rice in it, right? So so scrape and a scrape and a scrape and a scrape. Scrape. Mr. Scrape and a scrape. Scrape. Alright. Oh yeah, you have to really get to scraping. So now I'm going to cut up some of the pineapple and I'll be adding it to my fried rice. So here are all my prepped ingredients. I also cut up some sweet peppers and onions, and I had half of a purple onion, so I added it too as well. Cooking time! So pour some oil into my wok and I added the shrimp. So basically, I just space them out right here so everybody can get a little spot for themselves for cooking take place. And a lady is gonna multitask up in this kitchen. So I'm in my other frying pan, I'm adding some oil and the chicken, and of course I space them out too. So let's check on the shrimp. Okay, now let's check on the chicken and give it a stir up. This isn't going to cook for long. Remember, the pieces are small, so about 7 or 8 minutes and I eat that ready. Well, after that time. So stir up my shrimp, which basically is done. Okay, so now I'm taking them out and I'm going to set them aside, and I'm going to do the same. Take them all out, yes, and I'm going to do the same for the chicken. So take them out and set them aside, but we still are going to use the pot them, right? Because remember, we want flavor everywhere. Flavor for just a beat up our mouth. So I'm going to add 2 eggs to my fried rice. So I'm just breaking them, and then guys, you know me love season everything when I can add some seasoning too. So I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning, beat it up, and get the scrambling. I'm going to scramble it into the same oil that I prepared the shrimp in, because maximize pan flavor, we say. Yes. And to the other frying pan that I cooked the chicken in, I'm going to add the carrots in that one. So check back on the egg. Now to the carrot, I'm going to add the ginger to the carrot. And guys, the smell of the ginger frying up like this is everything. The flavor just busting out. I mean, it's just like, you know, like Smadina want extra small shirt where really medium them wear. Yes, it's just bursting out. Okay, so the egg is all done. Take it out and set it aside. We are taking out every little pieces. We ain't leaving back none. Take them out. Take them out. Every little piece count. Yes. Now this right here, Vibes fam, let's add the pineapple to the ginger and carrot. Oh, you know what take place in here? You listen to me, man. You know what take place in here, say now. Oh my goodness, you need to smell it. Okay, so to my wok, I'm adding onions, sweet pepper, and of course, everybody, all Rachel's can see say this need a little more oil, so we're adding that. This now is ready, so I'm going to pour it into the wok and combine everything. Ooh. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm convinced yet, so I need to try this. So good. Look at the colors, so pretty, so colorful. Oh my goodness, I just love it. Okay, add the eggs, and guys, I'm going to add some garden peas and sweet corn. Normally I don't do this, but me did feel fit. So you can omit that if you wish. And here I added some chili flakes just to get, you know, a little eat. So combine everything, and next I'm adding my rice, which I cooked in some chicken stock. So you know, say flavor galore. So yes, guys, add the shrimp, the chicken, and combine all of this amazingness. Me mean the whole of it. Yes, girl, stir it up. Oh my. Ooh, stir, girl. Mix. Mix, mix, mix. Oh wow, that looks so good. Well, it has stir up. It not start look good alright yet, but you know it, it's getting there. Okay, so I added 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and stir it up to distribute it, so you know you get a nice little color. And of course, we need it for look good, so yeah, just a little color. Oh, look at the meat. So yeah, I'm adding the spring onions or scallion, and I turn off the stove. Combine, girl, combine. I mean, it smells amazing, amazing. If you know I think about everything when I add, every little thing when I do, then you know I don't need to tell you no. Ooh, Vibes fam, see we ya. We this pan the pew cause we absolutely have upper top appearance. Fried rice are you say pretty. Come and testify and tell of the goodness of your taste. Vibes fam, wanna pre them shrimp there. Wanna see it look like say a giant upright in it I do. No man, them say cute. Vibes fam, can't tell you no enough how glorious this tasted. Me I gonna need enough for TRI it. The pineapple added such a nice little sweet kick, and it wasn't overpowering because through them cuts so small, so you can do it that way or add more if you're a pineapple lover. And you can also add more soy sauce if you want your fried rice to be darker. But Vibes fam, I can't tell you enough how amazing this chicken, shrimp, pineapple fried rice was. And yes, me eat it same way in the pineapple bowl because me did need all of the fanciness there. Yes, I did. It was amazing. Vibes fam, thanks so much for hanging out with me. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box, and also for the fried rice. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share the video with someone. God bless you.